All right, so it's a Tuesday in June 2024, and I'm going to be walking into Portillo's in Skokie, Illinois. This is in Skokie Blvd, actually, close to Old Orchard. So I'll just have my usual Italian beef, dipped, of course. Let's check it out. Hi, how you doing? Could I just get the number one with the sweet and with the peppers?
Sweet and hot peppers?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it for here.
Anything else?
That's it.
1939.
Great. Thank you.
Grab 4 garden dogs out. Cookie, my friend.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Don't
You
get
too.
your makeup. I feel like we should put up our tickets and go bingo.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's not so crowded today, so it's not so bad. Yes.
A lot of times they don't go the same.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, 397. It's like so far apart.
Or maybe they just make them random so you go.
I think so. Yeah. Because they got some online orders as well. That's why.
Yeah, they
Oh yeah. Okay. Separate. Okay. I didn't know that. I didn't even see it. Okay.
But the problem with that is like my brother that's here was saying where he was at, they did that and they went in and they said, oh no, you already picked that up.
Oh really?
And you had the
Someone
right
took it.
code number.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then they figured out that maybe the employee was...
Or a customer playing smart, like probably took it or something.
But a lot of places like this, I don't know.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
369?
All right. Have a good day.
397.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Could I get it? Sorry, could I get a plastic knife? Yeah. Thank you.
Good night.
That's great. I actually got the big one, and so just gonna cut it in half. I can probably finish it, but not so hungry today. Now let's see if I can finish it. I think I can, but anyway, so this is Portillo's Italian beef sandwich. It's one of my favorites. Of course, you have to have the dip. There it is. I can definitely eat the whole thing. I wasn't planning to, but it's so good. There you go, Chicago style Italian beef. Definitely have to get the bread dipped. Portillo's is usually always busy, but today it's not so busy. Especially during peak hours, during lunch and dinner. All right, I think I ate that a little bit too fast, but it was so good. Oh, that was pretty fast. Wait, much faster than I thought. I was going to plan a meeting, but it was just too good. It's one of my favorite places, Portillo's. Anyway, can't even finish the fries, so no point taking it home. Anyways, that was really good. Heading back now. All right, so that was Portillo's. It's one of my favorite places for Italian beef. I am full. I mean, usually I can finish the fries, but anyway, see you later.